Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the fan and the fan shroud on this 92 F150 with a 5.0. I'm pretty sure it's the same as the 5.8. Not sure about the 4.6, but on the 5.0 and the 5.8 it should be the same. Okay, so I've got a 7/16 wrench and something to stick in between these bolts to kind of hold this pulley still, and I am going to loosen each of these one at a time, and then I am going to come by after I loosen them and take them out the rest of the way. But there's 4 of them. And you can rotate the pulley for each one that you do. Alright, I've broken all of them loose now, so now I can just go ahead and take them all out. Okay, got all 4 bolts out now. So now we can break this pulley loose. And I'm just gonna rock it back and forth and put some pressure on it. Coming towards me. And there it is. So now carefully pull it out of there. And so that's the fan. We've got it out now. Now we can go ahead and get this shroud off of here. Looks like the last person on mine broke it, or it got broke somehow. So it looks like there's a bolt here that you would take out, and the same over here. You would take both of these out, and I think that those are the only 2 that you would remove. Okay. So now that I cut both of those zip ties, this should just pull straight up. Alright, yeah, as you can see, it's just got 2 slots at the bottom that just sit down there. And these 2 bolts that you take out up top are 8mm. So you would take these bolts out and then just pull up on the shroud and remove it carefully. There's kind of a tight clearance, so you might have to move some stuff out of the way. But that's how you do that.